Hey, I'm going to tell you about the digital notebook that we're going to use for this class. So you can find it here in Thursday's Async. I'm going to click on it. This version that I'm looking at here is only I can alter this version. So what you're going to need to do is go to File and say Make a Copy and say Entire Presentation. And then you're going to title it something like Physics Notebook, your name, something like that, whatever is going to work for you to remember how you can find it. So this version that I have here is going to be the class version. I'll put all of our notes in there. I'll put all the important things that you're going to need to know in there. And then as we go through the year, you'll be adding your own notes too. You can use what I have. You can write your own answers in there, whatever you need to do. However, this is going to be helpful for you. We'll use this as a class to have like all of your notes in one place you can find them. It's also going to be a good way for me to check and make sure that you're doing your warm-ups, that that you've got the things that you need in there. So warm-ups, I added a button here. If you click on that, it will take you right to slide 3, which is the warm-ups page. And I've added the questions from this week on there. So Mondays was how are you feeling about starting school remotely? What you're going to do is go back to the classroom or Google Classroom and copy and paste your answer into here. Tuesdays was tell me which Bitmoji item you added and why it represents you. So you're going to, I don't know that you wrote that anywhere, but you can just write, a quick sentence there about that. Yesterday's was the trebuchet problem. What challenges might you face if you attacked a castle? And what are some ways to defend a castle? So you're gonna just copy and paste what you had in that document here. And today's cool down question is I forgot what it is. I'll find it though and have you put it in. I'll put it in there for you. It was basically like, how did the week go? Or how are you feeling? Was anything particularly fun, or was anything particularly tricky? So you can just write your 1 to 2 sentence answer there. One thing that's really important to know about this this notebook slideshow thing that we're going to do here is that you never want to delete a slide. You also don't want to just like add a blank slide. What you want to do is go to Edit and say Duplicate. And that will give you 2 that look just the same, and then it'll have that same format in there and have, everything like is there. Okay. So, and if you needed to delete one thing, you could go to Control and delete that slide. Okay? So duplicate and delete. Don't use this little plus button here that you can't see on my screen, but don't use the plus button, just to duplicate. Okay? Yeah, this is your last assignment for the week. So it's been great. You guys have done a great job this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon.